Okay, I presume we are good on this. So let's move on to the next report data manipulation, that's data pivoting. Most of you are analysts or you work in and out of Excel, and pivoting is not something new for you. So, what does pivoting do? It just helps you rearrange the columns and rows in a report to view data from different perspectives. That is, you can move objects from a row to a column header or vice versa. You can change the order of objects, or you can move them to the page by field pane, which we just did. Now, there are various methods like how so one good thing in MicroStrategy is that you don't have to remember an icon, you don't have to remember a way to do things. You have it in two or three places. Either it's in the menu bar, or either it's you can right click an attribute and you have options over there, or it's there in the toolbar. So you have a lot of ways for doing things. So similarly for data pivoting, you can just, let's say that over here you want to drag this customer region. You can just move them around. You can hover your mouse, and it shows you the position where you want to move it. Other option is you right click on that specific attribute, click on move, and not the page by axis, but you have to select columns because you want to pivot it. It's in rows now, you want to move it to columns. Other option is you select tools, and once you select tools, you can click on pivot buttons. So what pivot buttons does is, below every attribute header, it and even metric header, it enables the pivot buttons. We'll see in a bit what each of this button do. So previously, if your headers were like this, so it gives you, I would say, mini icons below each header so that you can perform pivoting actions. So this, for example, moves it to columns. This is moved to right. You can page by this field, or you can remove from a grid. It's just a shortcut way of doing things. So this also gives you the ability to page by. So instead of doing that explicit page by, if you enable the pivot buttons, you can do things faster. So depending on the current position of your selected objects, you have to note that data pivoting options may not be available. For example, this is my first row in the report, or rather this is my first column. If I want to move it to the left, MicroStrategy won't do it for you. I mean, that is the first ever column in the report. Why there is no option, or there is no place for it to move it to the left? So you have to notice that it depends on the current position of your object. And once you move around objects in your report, do remember to save your report with new locations of objects if you always want to view it in that way.